Stop everything for a second, now look around you. Everything seems calm, predictable, stable. But what if I told you that you're in a place that's expanding? Non-stop, in every direction, all at once. And what if no one actually knows where it all began, or if it began anywhere at all? Today, we're diving into a question that sounds simple, but might flip your entire view of the universe. Is there really a center of the universe? And if there is, where is it? In school, they told you everything started with the Big Bang, right? But it wasn't an explosion like a bomb. The Big Bang didn't happen at one specific point in space. It was space. Space itself emerged, expanded, and is still expanding. In 1929, Edwin Hubble noticed that all galaxies were moving away from each other. That changed everything, because if they're all moving equally away, then who's in the center? The answer might surprise you. No one, or maybe everyone. Here comes the crazy part. From our perspective, it feels like we're at the center. When we look into space, all galaxies seem to be moving away from Earth. But here's the kicker: if you were in a galaxy 10 billion light years away, you'd see the exact same thing. It's not a mistake. Scientists call this the Cosmological Principle. In other words, the universe is fair. No one is at the center, and everyone is at the same time. All right, maybe the whole universe doesn't have a center. But you know what does? The observable universe. That's right. There's an invisible bubble around you, about 46.5 billion light years in radius, defining everything you're able to see. Because light has a speed limit, we can only observe as far as it's traveled since the Big Bang, and since that bubble forms around you. Guess who's at the center of it? You. That's right. You're in the middle of your universe. What if we're wrong? What if there really is a hidden point somewhere, the true beginning of it all? That would change everything. We'd have to rewrite the laws of physics, relativity could collapse. Dark energy, the force pushing the universe to expand faster, might not work the way we think. And more than that, if there's a center, is there an edge? And if there's an edge, what lies beyond it? Another universe, a boundary, or something that breaks all we know? It may seem distant, but this question has real effects here, now. All of our technology, GPS, satellites, space travel, weather forecasting, depends on how we understand the universe. If the universe had a fixed center, everything would change. But beyond the science, this search for a center reveals something deeper about us. It shows how badly we want to understand where we are, how much we need to feel grounded, as if finding the center of the universe could help us find our own center. The most shocking truth is this: maybe the universe doesn't have a physical center, but it has something far more powerful. It has purpose, motion, structure, laws. And here we are, alive, aware, asking questions about all of it. Maybe the question about the center of the universe isn't really about a location. Maybe it's about perspective, and in that case, maybe the center was within us all along. If the universe is infinite and everything's still expanding, what are we not seeing yet? What if something out there, beyond our visible bubble, could change everything we know about time, space, and reality? Maybe the most important question isn't where we are. It's this: what's still hidden, just waiting to be discovered?